UFC 259 had one of the most bizarre endings for a UFC title fight when Petr Yan threw an illegal knee on Aljamain Sterling and Sterling couldn't continue. Yan gets DQ'd and Sterling's the new champ. TJ Dillashaw believes Sterling was faking the severity of the damage to the knee, and the Oscar goes to Fake Master for best actor in a title fight. And Petr Yan needs a crash course in the rules of the sport he was once champion in. Hey Petr, now you're a cheater too. You cheated your entire UFC career and had the balls to call someone an actor. You lost your manhood when you decided to inject yourself so that you could actually compete. I hope Sandhagen tools you like he did in practices before. Dana White says they're going to do a rematch between Sterling and Yan. The date is to be determined. The title fight right after this fight had a more definitive ending, with Amanda Nunes winning a one-sided contest in 2 minutes and 3 seconds, tapping out Megan Anderson with an armbar. Daniel Cormier, who probably was unaware his mic was still on, ended up making fun of that one-sided fight.
No, I know, I'm just saying that Nunes fight, boy, that was razor thin. Yeah, that was a tough one, boy. What? She's gonna have trouble sleeping tonight, I'll tell you that much. I mean, come on.
And afterwards, he is asking a lady who works for the UFC to check out for some post-fight snacks for him.
Hey, what is that they're eating? Canes? Wow. Cassandra, they have canes. You don't want to check?